Let's explore the most affordable pre-selling house and lot here in the largest estate of Ayala, Nuvali. This is Renz Pagiligan again, the Estate Savvy. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Lalo po sa viewers natin na OFWs dyan, mostly in USA, Canada, Australia, and Europe. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. So, we are here right now in Southdale Settings, Nuvali. But before po natin pasukin yung ating community, let's have a quick drive tour po muna para malaman po ninyo kung paano nga ba pumunta dito. And malaman din po ninyo yung current establishments and developments dito sa Nuvali sa mga madadaanan natin. So, let's go po! Hello guys! Welcome to my drive tour. But if you are very familiar now with Nuvali and want to check na yung house and lot na ino-offer ko kaagad, you may skip this drive tour part. But for the first time viewers, please watch this para malaman po ninyo kung paano ba pumunta sa Southdale Settings galing dito sa front of Nuvali. And if you want to know po kung ano na ba ang current establishments or updates dito sa Nuvali, kasi no, kahit nanonood lang po kayo dyan with your television or with other devices, parang nagsa-site viewing na din po kayo kasama po ako. So lalo din po sa mga OFWs po natin dyan na viewers, of course wala pa po kayong time para umuwi pa ng Pilipinas, but you want to secure na ng property, samahan po ninyo ako. So we will start here from the front of Nuvali. Guys, if you would be coming from Metro Manila para makapunta po dito tayo ng Nuvali, take lang po natin ng SLEX. And from SLEX, take lang po tayo ng exit ng Mamplasan. After Mamplasan, meron pong rotunda doon or roundabout. Take lang po natin yung first exit, which is yun na po yung entry to Calax. And from Calax, take lang po natin yung very first exit, which is the Laguna Boulevard. And after Laguna Boulevard, andito na po tayo kung nasan tayo ngayon. But we have other routes pa naman, no, aside from Calax. Meron din tayo in other exits of SLEX, which are Santa Rosa, Eton, Cabuyao, Silangan, and Canlubang. And in Batino exit din pala, which will be the nearest exit to Southdale Settings in the future. Again guys, Nuvali is the largest eco-estate development of Ayala na akala lang po natin when we say Nuvali, this is composed of Ayala Malls lang, SNR, and the Koi Fish. But no po, Nuvali is approximately 2,500 hectares in size and is divided into 4 segments. Nuvali North, kung saan po tayo ngayon, this is our main commercial business district. Nuvali Central, Nuvali Heights, and Nuvali South, where Southdale Settings is located. So here in Nuvali North, dito po located ang ating Ayala Mall Solinad 1, where located yung famous man-made pond with its koi fish, the Solinad 2 and Solinad 3 in our right side. And good news guys, meron pa po tayong expansion ng mall, which is Solinad 4. Grabe no, additional mall na naman na gagawin dito aside from the ongoing development of SM Yulo Premier din sa kabilang entrance ni Nuvali. So aside from malls, we also have shopping centers, SNR, and landers. Also, we have our own hospital, Healthway Qualimed, and many more establishments. Don't worry, I will put the link below of my Nuvali tour where I feature all the existing and ongoing developments here in Nuvali. The good part po no, of investing or owning a property here in Nuvali is kasama na po sa pinurchase nyo all the conveniences, the establishments here, and hindi na kayo lalayo or lalabas pa ng Nuvali. And I just want to congratulate lang no, our company Ayala from being the Philippines' best company. Diba ang sarap pakinggan, especially to us and even to the investors na knowing this is very reassuring na you are in good hands, you are in the right developer. So here naman in our left side is the East Block. This is one of the pocket business district here in Nuvali. Ito po yung mga itatayo dito are mid-rise buildings only, na yung pwedeng itayo po dito are tertiary schools or malls or hospital or condos. Yan po yung mga possible na pwedeng itayo po dito sa East Block. And in our right side is the North Central Business District. Wala po pong official kung gaano po siya kalaki or yung official size po nito. But if we will base sa mapa ni Nuvali, this is almost 5 times in size ni East Block. So these two po, the East Block and North Central Business District, once na matapos po itong dalawa or ma-finish po ito, this will be our BGC na here in Nuvali. Na example po, if you're into business, pwede po kayong mag-expand dito, or you or your children wants po na mag-work dito sa ating future BGC, marami pong opportunities ang mag-o-open po dito. So right now we are approaching po ng Rotonda. Take lang po natin yung second exit because the first exit, ito po yung papuntang Casilla Road, yung shortcut to Tagaytay and to Marcos Mansion. So dito po tayo sa second exit. So we are here right now sa Nuvali Central, and as you can see in our right side is the Central Block. This is one of the pocket business district na yung gagawin po dito, or it will cater the Nuvali Central residents naman. Mid-rise buildings din po yung itatayo dito na possible po are malls, condos, tertiary schools, and yung ongoing development po dito are Merrimart and yung The Shops. Diba? How convenient po ito sa central residents na if mag-shop po kayo or magbabay ng groceries, no need na po pumunta ng Soledad Malls. Meron na po tayo ditong sariling commercial area. So in this road naman, papunta po sa ating right side, ito na po yung road papunta po sa one of the schools here in Nuvali, the Xavier School. And kung didiretsuhin nyo pa po, doon naman po papunta yung ating first ever pet-friendly condo, which is Solara Park Stories. Na example, if you want na mag-condo po muna or do you want investment here in Nuvali, pwede po tayo na mag-invest here in Solara Park Stories. Don't worry po, I will input here our link sa finiture ko rin po, which is Solara Park Stories. By the way guys, this road right here is our main road called Nuvali Boulevard. This connects our commercial districts to our communities. And aside from that, no, do you see that we have trees sa both sides? Diyan sa may median strip, meron din po tayo. Kumbaga, ang feeling pag dumadaan ka dito is very relaxing, para kang nasa ibang bansa, no spaghetti wires, no traffic, no stress. May spaces pa tayo sa gilid na in the future gagawing extension of road pag dumami-dami na po ang residents dito. So in our left side naman is the Rockwell South. This is approximately 60 to 70 hectares in size. Bakit ba may Rockwell South dito? Actually, hindi sila part ng Nuvali, but the last of their property line is nakadikit along Nuvali Boulevard. So kung ano ba yung gagawin nila dito, they have commercial area. So yung benefits ng taga Rockwell South residents, pwede po silang pumasok ng Nuvali, and vice versa, yung Nuvali residents, pwede rin po silang pumunta sa commercial area or commercial district ni Rockwell South. So as we go along, no, papuntang Nuvali South, as you can see po, pataas po ng pataas yung ating road. Kasi dito po sa Nuvali South, this is the highest elevation sa buong Nuvali. And dito po sa area na to, medyo malamig na po and mahangin na po sa area. And dito na po located yung ating mga communities. As you can see po sa T-Road over there, sa tumbok po na yan, meron pong naka-allocate po dyan na 10 hectares na gagawin pong commercial area. And in the future po, gagawin po siyang alfresco mall. Na ito naman po yung magka-cater sa Nuvali South residents. And once na ma-finish po ito, sa ating pong pinaka-top floor ng alfresco mall, meron po tayong, or magkakaroon po tayo ng magandang view of Puong Nuvali, ng Laguna de Bay, Tagaytay Ridge, and ng Mount Makiling. So yung road po natin papuntang southwest settings is dito po sa right side. But if pupunta pa kayo ng left side, doon naman po located yung ating activation area, which has bike trails, pet area, tsaka po yung existing natin na golf driving range in Nuvali. So in our right side naman is the Everest Academy, one of the schools here in Nuvali, and mamaya-maya po madadaanan din po natin si Miriam College in our left side. So these three schools po yung dito sa mismong Nuvali na kumbaga if you're living here, meron na po tayong schools, hindi na po kayo lalayo pa ng Nuvali. Now in this road sa papuntang right side, ito po yung Forest Ave, ito po yung magko-connect sa atin papunta po sa Southdale Settings Nuvali. So welcome to Southdale Settings Nuvali. We are here right now sa main entrance po nito. As you can see, andito po yung ating logo here. This is 20 hectares in size na yung 50% po doon ay for saleable area or yung mga house and lot natin. And 50% po nun for open spaces, parks, roads, and including na po doon yung ating amenities na 1 hectare in size. Diba? Knowing this na hindi lang puro bahay yung makikita nyo sa ating community, but in a more relaxing community na marami tayong trees, open spaces, and parks. This community is located at the highest peak of Nuvali South. Time check natin, nasa around 2 p.m. Ito po yung katirika ng araw, pero hindi nyo po ganun karamdam ang init. Bakit? Dahil sa taas po ng elevation nito. Yung dito sa main entrance, nasa 180 meters above sea level na po tayo. Mahangin and malamig na po sa area. Promise sa gabi, most of the time, hindi nyo na po kailangan magbukas pa ng aircon. So, mas makaka-less pa po kayo ng power consumption. And dahil po sa taas na ng elevation, the advantage of owning a property here is the flood or yung baha will never be an issue. Also, dahil mataas na yung elevation dito, you might have a prime view of Laguna de Bay, Mount Makiling, or Tagaytay Ridge, depende po sa facing ng property nyo. So, let's go na po, pasukin na po natin yung community, and I am very much excited to show you our model houses. So we are here right now sa one of our model houses here in Southdale Settings, Nuvali. But before po natin pasukin itong model house natin, i-highlight ko lang po ito na after your property line there, meron po tayong walk past and planting strip before po ng gutter na hindi po siya part ng pinurchase nyo ng property, pero nagmukhang wider po ang inyong property dahil po dito. So dito po sa planting strip, tatamnan po yan ng grasses as you can see there. And meron po tayong tinanim din na puno because here in Nuvali, we promote a greener future. So this model house sa likod ko is the Trista S2 model. The floor area is 85 square meter and yung minimum lot area po dito is 138 square meter. So this is our biggest 3 bedrooms here sa Southdale Settings, Nuvali. Sabihin ko na po, no, before po tayo pumasok, ito po nakikita niyo po is the carport na yung kasya po dito ay 2 cars, up to 2 cars. And dito po, pwede naman po kayong mag-fence or hindi. Nasa inyo po yon. Pero usually, or yung kinagandahan, yung lalagay po nating fence dito, example, kahit plants muna, na para malaman lang po yung pinaka boundary ng inyong property. So tara po, pasok na po tayo sa model house. Welcome to your new home. Ang ganda ng layout ng bahay na to, no? Kasi naka-open planning po tayo, meaning wala po tayong divisions dito. Kumbaga, you have the freedom kung ano ang i-design niyo po dito. So, in this area, di ba, as you can see, napaka maaliwalas kasi ang dami po nating windows dito. You have windows there, dito, tsaka po dito. So, sa dito pong area, kung ang ideal po na pwedeng ilagay dito is yung ating living area na dito po yung sofa, and usually po or dito po ilalagay yung ating TV kasi dito na naka-ready yung ating mga saksakan at auxiliary cables. So dito naman po sa side na ito, meron po tayong sliding door na yung pwede nyo pong ilagay yung dining area nyo either dito or dito po sa side. So in this area, no, kung dito nyo po ilalagay yung inyong dining table, mas maganda rin po kasi andito po yung ating sliding door. Na example, if you want na mas madagdagan po yung inyong ventilation, pwede nyo lang pong i-open to. Tsaka kinagandahan po, no, sa dami ng windows natin, mas marami po tayong pagkukuhanan ng natural light. Na pag example sa umaga or sa tanghali, pwede nyo lang pong buksan yung inyong windows, tsaka para mas mas mag-welcome siya ng light and hindi na po kayo masyadong nag-iilaw pa. Less consumption po sa inyo. So in this side po, ayan po, itong malaking area na po ito. Actually po, yung iba naming clients, yung ginagawa po dito, naglalagay po sila ng division dito as ginagawa po nilang another bedroom. Yan po, dahil sa laki po nito and may sarili din naman po siyang windows, ito po, kasyang-kasya po isang bedroom po dito para magmukha po siyang 4 bedrooms and pang-retirement na din na pwede po dito. In this side naman po, dito na po located yung ating kitchen, yung ating countertop, yung sink, tsaka po yung lower cabinets. And kinagandahan po, no, kasi may windows na rin po tayo dito. Kumbaga, ito pong windows parang nagiging set as sanitation po siya. Example, pag medyo basa po dito sa inyong countertop, ito na po yung magwe-welcome ng natural light, tsaka yung magpapatuyo po dito. Then, yung iba rin po naming clients, since dahil medyo malawak po dito, nagpapalagay pa sila ng another countertop, tapos dito po is mga cabinets ulit na parang bar type po siya. Na example, once na makatapos na kayo magluto, ilalagay niyo po dito before po sa inyong dining table. So before po tayo lumabas sa ating service entry, ito na po yung ating toilet and bathroom. As you can see po, marami na po tayong built-in features dito. The wash basin, toilet bowl, and meron na po tayong overhead shower, tsaka nakaabang po na water heater. So let's go po, labas po tayo service entry. Pakita ko lang po kung gaano pa kalawak dito sa inyong backyard or sa likod. Okay, so dito naman po sa likod, no? Actually, yung mga ginagawa po dito or usually na ng ating clients, dito po, naglalagay sila ng dirty kitchen, tsaka dito na rin po yung laundry area. And dito po sa likod, di ba? So kasi may mga, ano po dyan, mga halaman. So kasi ito na po yung pinaka-boundary ng property line nyo. Na depende po sa inyo kung yung fence po ba ninyo is yung naka-solid wall or pwede pong mga puno lang din. Since secured naman po itong community natin, so wala naman po tayong ipapangamba. So kinagandahan ng inyong backyard, no? Actually kung dyan po kayo sa may carport, example, meron kayong groceries, mga pinamili, pwede na po kayo na dito na kayo dumaan, papunta po ng kitchen para hindi na po kayo pumasok pa sa harap. So example, if one lang po yung car nyo, etong sa may likod nito, pwede pa kayong gumawa pa ng garden dito sa lawak ng ating lot area. So let's go po, tara akitin na po natin itong model house and ipakita ko sa inyo yung ating 3 bedroom sa taas. As we go up, by the way, yung stairs pala natin is wood type po, no? And as you can see, may windows po ulit tayo dito and may windows po doon. Ganyan po siya, kaganda yung ating model house. So, dito po sa side natin, pwede pa po tayong maglagay pa ng chandelier para mas maganda po tignan yung sa stairs natin. And in this side, ito po yung ating toilet and bathroom dito sa taas. Ito po yung ating bedroom 1. So here in bedroom 1, di ba, ang kinaganda is naka-corner room po tayo dito. So kinagandahan ng corner, marami po tayong view, marami po tayong windows in these 2 sides. Ayan po. So dito tayo sa second bedroom. Okay. Ito lang po yung ating second bedroom. Same size lang po sila ni bedroom 1. And dito lang po yung ating windows. Okay. So let's go here sa ating master's bedroom. Now, this is the master's bedroom. Diba, ang lawak po niya. And kinagandahan po nito, marami din po tayong windows dito. Like po, here, there, and there po. And dahil po sa mataas na po yung elevation dito sa Southdale settings, actually, ang daming view po ng itong model house. If you look in this side po, sa windows natin, meron po tayong view po of Tagaytay Ridge dito. So in this side naman, yung ang gandang view ng Mount Makiling, and dito naman sa windows na to, doon naman po yung view natin ng Laguna de Bay. Di ba ang ganda dito sa Southdale settings kung saan ito yung mataas po na elevated land dito po sa Nuvali South. And another one po, no, na kinagdahan nitong master's bedroom, sa lawak po niya, kasyang-kasya po dito, king size po na bed. Usually dito sa master's bedroom, dito talaga yung parents natin. And kinagandahan din po na to, kitang-kita yung sa front and yung labas-pasok po sa inyong bahay. So in summary, this model house is perfect for starting families and who wants to live in a peaceful, exclusive, and relaxing community. Livable na siya, may mga built-in features naman, furnitures na lang yung kulang. And speaking of furnitures, let's check out naman our dressed-up unit. So in this model house naman is the Macy S2. This is our smaller 3-bedroom house and lot here in South Del Settings, New Valley. The floor area is 67 square meter and yung minimum lot area po nito is 128 square meter. By the way, yung papasukin po nating model house is yung naka-dressed up na. Kumbaga, for you to have an idea kung paano ba siya i-design or lagyan po ng furniture sa loob. So let's go po, pasukin na po natin. Hello guys, so welcome to the model house of Macy S2. So again po na, this is our smaller 3-bedroom house and lot. So etong planning po niya is naka-open planning din po tayo. So you have the freedom po ulit kung paano niyo po ba siya i-design. Dito naman po dahil naka-dressed up tayo, dito po siya naglagay ng sofa, there din po, and dito na po yung TV. Kumbaga etong area po na to kung saan po kayo magbabanding with your family. And in this side, dito po nilagay yung kanilang dining table. So sa dining table po nila, up to 6 family members po yung dito or yung naninirahan po dito. So katapat po niya yung ating sliding door na anytime pwede nyo na po siyang i-open for additional ventilation. So sa likod ko po, ito po yung ating kitchen. Yung ginawa po nila dito or yung in-improve po nila dito is naglagay sila ng upper cabinets there. Tsaka dun po yung ating refrigerator. And dito po yung ating lutuan, and dito po yung ating service entry sa likod. So before naman po tayo umakyat sa taas, ito na po yung kinaganda po yung kinagandahan ng ginawa nila dito sa open space po na to is naglagay po sila ng shelves. Kumbaga, ditong area naman, pwede nyo pong gawin is mini working space or mini study area kasi malawak po lang po siya. Pero dito shelves po yung nilagay nila para mas marami po tayong paglagyan ng mga gamit. And dito naman po, sa side na to, yung ating toilet and bathroom. Dito po, nagdagdagan po tayo ng glass and ng medicine cabinet. So let's go na, akitin na po natin yung taas and excited po ko ipakita sa inyo yung ating 3 bedrooms. So as we go up sa stairs, diba? As you can see po, high po yung ceiling natin. And in this side, pwede rin po tayo maglagay ng chandelier para mas maganda po yung ating bahay. So mga naglagay po sila dito ng paintings and meron po tayong mga windows din po dito. So yung una po nating makikita ng pagkaakyat, ito po yung ating toilet and bathroom. Wala rin po tayo masyadong dinagdag, mirrors, saka po yung glass. Ito po yung ating bedroom 1. So here in bedroom 1, ginawa po siya para sa pambabae po na anak. So dito po yung bed and naglagay din po sila dito ng mini study area. Tsaka ito po yung kanyang cabinet. So kumbaga, malawak po yung area, kasyang-kasya naman po kahit 2 kids dito. So let's go na po to for bedroom 2. Dito naman sa bedroom 2, same po ng kabila, meron pong deadbeat to, and dito po yung kanyang study area, and meron na rin po tayong cabinet po dito. So malawak pa din. Okay, so let's go na po sa ating master's bedroom. So here naman sa ating master's bedroom, sa laki po niya, kasya po dito up to queen size of bed. And dito po yung ating windows, natakpan lang po ng ating curtains. So dito niya po nilagay yung cabinets, and doon naman po yung ating aircon. So malawak pa po siya, pwede po pong lagyan or ng additional kung ano po yung pwede nyo pong i-design pa dito. The advantages po of purchasing or investing in a pre-selling house and lot, kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadaling lumipat ng bahay or ng may matirhan, are number 1, ito pong house and lot, you may purchase this in terms, hindi naman po required ang cash payment. But if you want to pay in cash naman, di ba? Sino naman kami para tumanggi sa ganyan pong option for payment term? Mas gusto po namin yan. We will give you our biggest discount. And number 2, you may purchase this house and lot in a lower price kasi once this community is na turnover na or ready to occupy na yung mga lot area po dito, iba na po yung presyo nito. And number 3, this is perfect for OFWs na most of the OFWs po kasi wala po silang time para umuwi ng Pilipinas, tsaka doon pa lang po sila maghanap ng property. Ito po, you can purchase this pre-selling house and lot para na once they will return to the Philippines for good, may uuwian na silang ready na bahay and titirhan na lang. So the total contract price of this model house, Macy S2, this is our smaller 3 bedrooms here in South Del Settings, New Valley. As of this month, October and year 2024, in-indicate ko lang po yung month and year kasi po anytime the price might change, no? So this is around 10 million This is 67 square meters po yung floor area and the lot area is 128 square meter. And yung pinuntuhan po natin kanina that Rista S2, our biggest 3 bedrooms in South Hill settings, yung floor area po nun is 85 square meter and the lot area or the minimum lot area is 138 square meter, nasa 11.5 million naman po siya. We have two options for payment terms. Number one, with 10% spot down payment. Pag ito lang po yung pinili nyo, yung with 10% spot down payment, meron po tayong malaking discount na pwede na po siyang pambili po ng furnitures or pang-hire po ng interior designer. And yung another 10% po nun is payable into 24 months and on the month of 25, yun naman po yung time for or due date ng ating bank financing. So the other option naman is no spot down payment. Ito po yung kinagandahan kasi meron po tayo, example, wala pa kayong malaking pera para i-down. Ito po yung perfect for you. The 20% of total contract price is payable po in 24 months. No spot down payment po yun. And on month 25 yung ating bank financing. If you are considering naman na mag-invest into lot only muna, actually, in this Southdale settings, Nuvali, very limited tsaka almost pa-sold out na po yung mga lote natin dito. And since lots here in Nuvali are very high in demand, we require 10% spot down payment for purchasing a lot only here. So dito sa Southdale settings, Nuvali, yung starting price po ng lote dito is around 5.4 million. So this is it. I do hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating drive tour and house tour. So for more details and for the reservation of your future home, you may reach me to my Facebook page, The Estate Savvy, and to my Viber or WhatsApp at 0917-140-5564. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates dito sa Nuvali and sa future projects na i-offer ko. So once again, this is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your property specialist in the South.